How to allow camera access on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Roblox on your device. Now tap on three dots at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings. Then go to account info. Now tap on verify my age. Now click on start session. Now wait for some time. Now tap on begin. Again wait for some time. Then tap on select. Now select your ID or document. Now tap on camera button. If it's giving error, go back to home screen. Now open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now search for Roblox. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Roblox. Now go to permissions. Now tap on camera. Now give the permissions. Now go back to the home screen and open up Roblox. Now tap on check camera. Again tap on camera. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.